Meet Nest Secure. Nest Secure is made up of Nest Guard, Nest Detects, Nest Tags, and the Nest app. Nest Guard lets you turn security on and off. It also senses motion in the room, sounds the alarm, and helps all the pieces of your system talk to each other. Nest Tag lets you turn your alarm on and off without a passcode. Nest Detect can tell you when a door or window is open or closed.
The patio door was opened.
And if there's motion in the room. You can control Nest Secure with the Nest app. You can set the alarm, see if a door or window is open, or if anything needs attention, like a low battery. You can control who has access to your home and family and guests, and set schedules for guests who only need access at certain times, such as a housekeeper. Tap History to see what's been happening in your home. To see or change your security settings, tap the gear icon. If you have a dog, you can enable reduced sensitivity so it won't set off the alarm when it walks around the house. You can also set how much time you need to turn off the alarm when you come home, and how much time you have to leave the house after you set the alarm. Motion detection can be turned on or off for each Nest Detect that's on a door. And if a Nest Tag is lost, you can disable it right from the app.